Hello everyone, this is the video review of a newly released VR headset. This one is from a brand called MyVR Googles. You can buy it from Amazon India using the links that I have placed in the description. So if you did check out my channel, I have already reviewed their old VR headset. I have placed the link in the description so you can check that out. So now let's start with the review. This is the box of the VR headset and we have the MyVR Googles logo over here. Inside the box you get the VR headset itself. And this is how it looks. It comes all in black and white. The other things you get are the user manual, a soft cleaning cloth for your lens, and an additional velcro strap. Now let's check out the VR headset. So this is the VR headset and you have the brand logo in front. As you can see, it looks very cool in the black and white version. The body is completely made up of plastic, the build quality and the finishing is up to the mark. Before heading to the review, let's check out the technical specification of this VR headset. This VR headset comes with a 120 degree of field of view, which will actually give you a much immersive experience than some cheaper VR headset with a field of view of less than 100 degrees. The diameter of the lens is 42 mm. It also comes with inbuilt sound headphones, a single function buttons for controlling the volume and taking calls, and it is compatible with smartphones ranging from 4.5 to 6.2 inches of display and a maximum width of 83 mm. This VR headset weighs around 400 grams and is comparatively heavier than their previous version. You can open the front flap by pressing the button on top over here, and this is where you place your smartphone. This VR headset uses a pallet type phone holder instead of clippers. The advantage here is this avoids issues like automatic volume reduction and power button pressing due to the clippers. This VR headset uses a PU leather for its cushioning and not the foam ones which they had in the old version, so it will last much longer. Somewhat same type of padding can be seen at the earphone side and the headband cap also. Overall, this padding makes it really comfortable to wear. You can adjust the velcro strap in 3 ways for a snug fit and better comfort. Earphones can be adjusted by sliding in or out. The distance between the lens can be adjusted using the button on top. The display itself can be moved closer or further away using the wheel at sides. The wide-angle lens stays close to your eyes so that you can see through the lens and not the lens itself. But this also means more smudges. This is the audio pin of the inbuilt earphone. Being an inbuilt earphone, I thought the quality will be poor, but I was wrong. It is somewhat better than I expected. The sound quality is good and so is the loudness. Although don't expect a $100 worth earphone quality, you can adjust the volume using this button. Finally, coming to my experience. This VR headset really amazed me in terms of visual appearance, and same is the case with VR viewing experience. The lens does provide an excellent and immersive view. Overall, it is very comfortable to wear, although your face will get little warm if you use it for a long session. That's because it completely covers your face. Using it for long hours will result in eye strain, but that's common in every VR headset. The workaround here is to give your eyes rest after every 20 minutes. Let's check out the live view of some games. question. Overall, it's a really cool looking VR headset and one of the first one in Amazon India with an inbuilt earphone. But the question is it worth for the money? I think so. Actually, it depends. If you want a use and throw type VR headset, then go for the cardboard ones. If you want something good but still cheap in price, then go for their old version or other plastic VR headset available in Amazon. If you want good quality, good looks and inbuilt earphones and with a single function button, then go for this one. I'm sure this one is the best alternative to Oculus Rift, at least as of today in India. So that's it from the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button below. If you have any doubts, then you can always comment down below and I will definitely try to reply back. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.